How to change language in TradingView. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the languages. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this menu icon. Tap on Menu. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Tap on Settings. Here, you'll be able to see the option called Languages. Tap on Language. So, here, the English is the default one because it is an international language. Now, you can select the languages that are available here. There are only limited languages, so just select on the language that you want to change into. Now it will take some time, and if you go back, the interface has completely been changed into the language that you have selected. So if you even go to the other charts and other menus, so as you can see, the language is completely changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.